Hey everybody, in this video we're going to take a look at the new American lock Lishi, the AM5, and this is for your standard American lock keyway. Cylinder that I do believe has to be drilled 6. If it's only drilled 5, I don't think it'll go all the way in. So this is an American 1100 that is indeed drilled 6, even if it's only pinned 5. And I'm going to see if we can pick it, and we'll see if we can decode it here. And I do have a key for it with the bidding stamped on it, so try to decode it and we'll see what we get here. So see, there's nothing on 6. 5 is springy, 4 springy, 3 little click on 3, click on 2, click on 1. Let's go back to 5. Put on 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1 is just dropping all the way down. I may have overset number 1. But I did. Start over here. Okay, tiny click on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1 I think is probably okay. A little bit of a click on 3 there. It might be challenging to use. If you have like a 7 or 8 cut, I mean, those are almost at the shear line. So it really wouldn't take much to set or overset them. They'd almost be like almost 0 lift pins. 2 clicks on 3. Click on 2. Left click on 3, so that could be a serrated pin. Click on 1. Yeah, I'm not sure this thing's any easier than just picking one. Of course, you could always pick it and then just decode it. Of course, also this thing is probably mostly useless, at least where I'm at, as I never really see American locks anywhere. It'd be really nice if they made an M1, and it would be really, really nice if they made a Y1. Okay, we'll never run a false set here, so I'll go through and look for spools. And forward binding here, and you kind of have to counter rotate it yourself here. Click on 4, lost the false set, and we go back to 5. Okay, and we're open, so this thing probably has some long pins in it. I didn't look at the key before I stuck it in the vise. And let me see if we can get this to where you guys can see it here for decoding it. Key off too while I'm at it. Let's make sure we're in focus here. And we'll go ahead and give this a crack at decoding it. Grab something to write with here. Alright, so number 1 is indeed a number 8 cut. Number 2 looks to be, I believe that is a 5. Three looks to be a 6. Oh, wait a minute. I think it's actually a 7. And 4 looks to be a 4. And then number 5 looks to be a 6. So I got, zoom out here, I got 85746, and we'll grab the key. And we got 86746, so I had 85, so I decoded the second one wrong, it looks like, so I guess I just misread it. It's kind of hard to see sitting like this. You know what? That definitely is a 6. Actually, it's on the hash mark, not the full lines. That is a 6. I just read it wrong. So it looks like it does work. And so I'll try a few more because I just got it. Here's just the first lock I've actually picked with it. So we'll try a few more. But anyway, just wanted to show the new American lock Lishi here. And I guess if Lishi ever sees this, make a Y one. But we'll talk to everybody later.